I'm gonna talk about what is a black hole. So black hole has an intense gravitational pull. In, it can't really you light cannot even light can't escape a black hole. So in black hole torn things apart like a spaghetti litigation. So we might so it's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner and squeeze out any matter drawn to the black hole. It forms a rotating disk called and as a accretion disk of this. Some material can be flung at a high speed of jets of gas, which can impact gravity formation. So yeah. So like when something enters a black hole, when it's nearest and furthest parts, even the nearest and furthest part could stretch and tear it apart. So how many habitable planets in universe? So there are like 50 sextillion habitable planets in the universe, but some of them have too much water. So habitable planets need a stable atmosphere that protects from radiation and regulates temperatures. And there's some exoplanets and super habitable, better than more conductive or more habitable than Earth. That's called super habitable planets. But the scientists are still discovering lots of things in the future. So Jupiter's moon Europa is also going to be planned to explore habitats for life. So so let's talk about our coming pattern. So Scarborough, Ontario could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Oshawa, Ontario could get some thin bands of 0.25 millimeters of rain. Orangeville, Ontario, Newmarket gets nothing. So most of southern Ontario stays dry. So 8 p.m. with cities this so Mil so Halton Hills on so Milton, Ontario could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Bowmanville, I'm not gonna count. Orono could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. So next hour, 8 a.m. September 15, nothing. 8 no, 2 p.m. nothing. 8 p.m. nothing. 8 a.m. nothing. 2 p.m. nothing. 8 p.m. nothing. 8 a.m. nothing. 2 p.m. nothing. 8 a.m. nothing. Final hour nothing. Wait, this not. Yeah, this is So light rain in so I'm not gonna cut this part. So total precipitation once every 12 hours. So start at 2 p.m. So Scarborough could get some 0.5 millimeters of rain. Orangeville, Ontario gets nothing. Brampton could get some nothing. So Oshawa, Ontario could get some too thin enough. No, thinning. No, just gonna say 0.2 millimeters of rain. So Newtownville could get some 0.22, no, 0.45 millimeters of rain. Mostly 0.2 millimeters around this region in the circle. So next, 8 p.m. So Scarborough, Ontario is gonna get some 0.7 millimeters of rain in some areas. Some areas get 0.2 millimeters of rain. So Cobourg, nothing. Oshawa, Ontario, 0.2 millimeters of rain. Newtownville could get some nothing. Negative. So Brampton could get some 0.2 millimeters of rain. Downtown Toronto could get some 0.2 millimeters of rain. Milton, Ontario could get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. So Gulf, Ontario is gonna count sometimes. So it's gonna get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. So next day, 8 p.m. nothing. Next day, 8 p.m. nothing. 8 p.m. nothing is September 18, 19, wait, 17. Final hour. Let's see, the city is this. So nothing except Orangeville. Yeah, Orangeville gets. I'm gonna skip Orangeville for now. So total air temperature pattern. So 3 p.m. So Scarborough could get some 23 degrees, 22.5 degrees. Brampton and Stouffville is 24 degrees. Downtown Toronto is 21 degrees. 23 degrees in Newmarket. 24 degrees in Orangewood, Ontario. Cobourg is 20 degrees. 24 degrees in Peterborough. 24 degrees in Belleville. Niagara on the Lake is 22 degrees. 23 degrees in Niagara Falls City. Hamilton, Ontario is 20 degrees. 26 degrees in London. 22 degrees in Oshawa. Uxbridge is 23 degrees. Blue Mountain is 20 degrees. Whiteton is 19 degrees. So then the total precipitation every 12 hours, 20 hours by this. So Scarborough could get some 0.2 to 0.7 millimeters of rain. Milton, Gulf could get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. Gulf, Ontario actually says like 0.7 millimeters of rain. So Quebec, nothing. I'm gonna skip. So in air temperature next day. So 14 degrees. So Scarborough is 15 degrees, Stouffville is 14 degrees, 15 degrees in Brampton, 16 degrees in downtown Toronto, Cobourg is 15 degrees, 11 degrees in Peterborough, 12 degrees in Belleville, Niagara on the Lake is 15 degrees, 14 degrees is in Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, London, Ontario 14 degrees, Hamilton 16 degrees, Newmarket is 12 degrees. Orangeville, Ontario is 12 degrees. Uxbridge is 12 degrees. 13 degrees is in Blue Mountain, Collingwood. 13 degrees is in Waterton. Oshawa, Ontario is 14 degrees. So next, we're Waterton is 22 degrees, 23 degrees in Collingwood, 25 degrees in London, 23 degrees in Brampton, 21 degrees in downtown Toronto, 22 degrees in Scarborough, 20 degrees in Quebec, 23 is Peterborough, 24 degrees is in Belleville, Newmarket is 24 degrees in Orangeville, Ontario, Hamilton is 18 degrees, 22 degrees is in Niagara on the Lake. Niagara Falls City is 26 degrees. So next, Oshawa, Ontario is 22 degrees, 23 degrees in Uxbridge. Next hour. So Whiteton is 12 degrees, 14 degrees in Collingwood, 14 degrees in London, 14 degrees in Brampton, Stouffville is 13 degrees, 15 degrees, 14 degrees in Scarborough, Quebec is 15 degrees, Peterborough is 11 degrees, 12 degrees in Belleville, Niagara on the Lake is 14 degrees, Niagara Falls City is 13 degrees, Hamilton is 16 degrees, Newmarket is 11 degrees, Orangeville, Ontario is 11 degrees, 12 degrees in Newbridge, Oshawa, Ontario is 14 degrees. Next, where? So Whiteton is 23 degrees, 24 degrees in Blue Mountain, 26 degrees in London, 24 degrees in Brampton, Stouffville. Downtown Toronto is 22 degrees, 30 degrees in Scarborough, 21 degrees in Quebec, 24 degrees in Peterborough, 25 degrees in Belleville, Niagara on the Lake 22 degrees, 26 degrees in Niagara Falls City, Newmarket is 24 degrees, Orangeville, Ontario is 24 degrees, Hamilton is 19 degrees, Oshawa, Ontario is 23 degrees, 24 degrees in Uxbridge. Next hour. Whiteton is 13 degrees, Collingwood is 13 degrees, London is 13 degrees, Brampton is 14 degrees, Stouffville 13 degrees, 15 degrees in downtown Toronto, Oshawa, Ontario is 14 degrees, Uxbridge is 12 degrees in Newmarket, Orangeville, Ontario is 12 degrees, Quebec is 16 degrees, Peterborough is 12 degrees is in Belleville, Niagara on the Lake is 15 degrees, Niagara Falls City, Ontario is 14 degrees, Hamilton is 16 degrees. So next hour. 23 degrees in Whiteton, 24 degrees is in Collingwood, 27 degrees in London, 25 degrees in Brampton, 26 degrees in Stouffville, 22 degrees in downtown Toronto, 24 degrees is in Scarborough, Quebec is 21 degrees, 25 degrees in Peterborough, 25 degrees in Belleville, Oshawa, Ontario is 23 degrees, Uxbridge is 25 degrees, Newmarket is 26 degrees, 25 degrees, 26 degrees in Orangeville, Ontario. Niagara on the Lake is 23 degrees, 26 degrees, Niagara Falls City, Ontario. 21 degrees in Hamilton, Ontario. Next hour. Second final hour. So Whiteton is 14 degrees, 12 degrees in Blue Mountain. London is 14 degrees, Hamilton is 16 degrees, downtown Toronto is 16 degrees, Brampton is 15 degrees, 14 degrees in Stouffville, 15 degrees in Scarborough, 16 degrees in Quebec, Peterborough is 13 degrees, same thing in Newmarket and Orangeville, Uxbridge also, so, and even Belleville. Niagara on the Lake is 16 degrees, Niagara Falls City 17 degrees, Oshawa, Ontario 13 degrees. Final hour. So Whiteton is 24 degrees, 23 degrees in Collingwood, 27 degrees in London, Brampton, Stouffville, 23 degrees in downtown Toronto, 25 point. So what's 73 between? So 25 degrees in Scarborough. Oshawa, Ontario is 25 degrees. Oops, Beach 25 degrees. Newmark is 26 degrees. Orangeville, Ontario is 26.5 degrees. Niagara on the Lake is 24 degrees. 27 degrees. Niagara Falls City. Hamilton is 22 degrees. 23 degrees. So, so if we say habitable, it could be habitable for life, not just human life. So if the, so it could be like infinite of universes, even like if it, yeah. So other universes could come back again and forever. It's gonna go away, like Big Crunch, Big Bang, and start over again. For other universes, parallel universes, same thing. Multiple universes, actually same thing. Like Big Bang, Big Crunch, Big Bounce. Universe like come from like quantum fluctuation from for other universes. It could come cause the universe to be created. So this is the end of the video.